So I'm super excited. I just got the brand new Kuvings Auto 10 Plus juicer. Now it looks similar to the original Auto 10, but the Auto 10 Plus has two major differences than the original. Now with the Auto 10 Plus, you're getting a larger extendable hopper that's great if you do a lot of large batch juicing like I do. Plus, with Auto 10 Plus, it has a stainless steel blade, which makes it that much more powerful. Now, if you don't need all that capacity with the hopper, you can simply take off the extendable part and make the hopper smaller. Now, with the Auto 10 Plus, you are getting the largest hopper of any juicer on the market, which helps to make the juicing experience that much more efficient and easy. Plus, like the original Auto 10, it comes with a ton of accessories to make your juicing experience simple. Everything you need is already in the box. And like the original Auto 10, the Auto 10 Plus comes with a 15-year warranty. So it's a great investment for your health. And it comes with two large juicing cups, one for your juice and one for your pulp. It also has this great recipe book. Now, this is really great for folks who are new to juicing and just don't know where to start, don't know what juices or produce to combine with one another. You get all of that in the recipe book. And not only is there recipes for juicing, there's also recipes for smoothies and sorbets, and ice creams, even how to make your own plant-based milk. Then it comes with these strainers. This one is a smoothie strainer. And then the other one is a blank strainer, and this is the strainer that you use to make like an ice cream or sorbets. It also has this great cleaning tool right here, and it has this pusher that I never really use. And then we have some brushes. And the Auto 10 Plus comes in three different colors. It comes in black, silver, and white. Now let's see how the Auto 10 Plus, let's see how it juices. So I'm gonna throw in some parsley, some mints, some cucumber, some apples. Let's see how many we can get in here. Let's see. We got five apples in there. We got some lemon and some ginger. After you load in all your produce, turn on the machine and then just walk away and let the machine do its thing. Now let's talk about the cleaning process. As you can see, it's super easy to disassemble, and this machine takes less than 5 minutes to clean. Just rinse off all the components of the juicer. I like to spray mine down with vinegar and then wipe it down and then let it dry. And that's it. It's just as simple as that. I tell you, that's one of the things that I love most about the Kuvings juicer is how quick and easy it is to clean the machines. Now, here's the truth. If you already have the Kuvings Auto 10, that's the original version, do you need to get the Auto 10 Plus? No. Keep your Auto 10 the original. It's a great machine. But if you're looking for a new juicer and you're in the market, definitely consider the Auto 10 Plus. All right, well, you know what I'm about to do. Go ahead, get your juice on.